Hello, my name is Lee Fuller, Full 6 Media. We do online and offline marketing for small business owners, coaches, and leaders, right? So what I want to do today is teach you the structure for doing an online video. Now, in this online video, I'm going to be doing it and then hopping out to show you what I did. All right, so I'm going to hop in. You just saw my introduction. So the first thing you want to do is grab them. When you grab them, you want to tell them what you're doing and why this is going to be a good video for them to watch. So my introduction would be, hey, you want to make, you can ask a question, you can call them out, or your title can be engaging. So, hey, do you want to make videos that people will actually watch? Or, hey, are you a coach, a business owner, a consultant? Then make sure you pay attention because this video is for you. All right. So you got to grab their attention. You got to hook them quick. All right. This is a video centric society. So unless you have something to say, there's probably another video right under this one or to the right or left that you can click on and do something else. So you gotta hook them. All right. Now, next thing you want to do after you grab their attention, you got to actually teach them something. Okay, if you're doing an informational video, and that's what we're talking about, you got to actually teach them something. Something needs to be engaging, but you got to have energy, you know. So if I was going to teach you something and I talk like this video better be 10 seconds or else I'm gone, right? So you got to have that energy in your conversation and in your teaching, and make it quick. Boom, just a few quick points, 3 steps, 7 steps. Hey, here's one thing you need to know. Don't say, hey, here are the 47 best ways to do this thing, right? If it's 47 best ways, you do better to sell a product than try to get me to, and then your promo video, just do 3 points. So you grab their attention, you teach them, and then give them an example. I'm kind of going back and forth as I do this, but give them an example of what you're teaching. So if one of my points is, hey, you need to give 3 steps. So in my product, we talk about the 7 steps in the Straight A marketing system, right? So step number 1, step number 2 is an example of me using the steps, right? A lot of times you'll hear me tell a story on my videos. You have to tell a story. We're conditioned to listen to stories, you know, or give a demo, right? So if this was my workout video, then I would probably flex my pecs, you know, because this is demonstration that I work out. Okay. You need to be entertaining at some point. Your level of entertainment. You know, I may not be entertaining to you, but I'm having a good time, so I'm keeping my energy up. And then, so you give an example, and then you review. You kind of tell them what you told them. So we talked about having a grabbing your attention with a opening or with questions. We talked about teaching with energy, you know, and not teaching too long, just a couple steps. Keep the video snappy, make it poppy. We give them an example of something. So teach, and give an example, it helps solidify that point. You want to bring it home. You not just take off, go ahead and land. Review, you know, you go over the points again, and you have to give them a call to action, right? A friend of mine, Del Toro McNeil, says, it's irresponsible to tell a person their problem and not show them how to fix it. So sometimes your call to action will be, here's my resource. Sometimes your call to action will be, give me a call. Sometimes your call to action will be, you know, follow my, connect with me on Facebook or Twitter, right? So make sure you give them a call to action to close out your video. So for me to close out my video, if you like this and you want to see more of these, subscribe to my YouTube channel or subscribe to my podcast, and you can listen to these audibly. You know, it's hard for me to do the video on the podcast. You understand. All right. Again, this is Lee Fuller, Fuller 6 Media. We do online and offline marketing for businesses, consultants, and leaders. And if you like this, go ahead and like it and share it on Facebook. That'd be pretty cool.